When refurbishing large concrete floors, you may need to make repairs to your expansion joints. There are a few different ways to address an expansion joint depending on the condition. If the joint is intact with no distinct damage other than slight rounding on either side, cut a chase following the joint to cut it back in, vacuum and then refill with a flexible sealant as described further in the video. If you have a damaged joint or a joint that has found its way naturally with a jagged line, it may not be possible to simply cut and fill. In this case, you would need to make a saw cut either side of the joint. Once complete, use a hammer and chisel to square off the repair. Thoroughly clean out the repair, removing any debris, and vacuum to remove any dust. The joint is now ready to be repaired. Brush Resincoat Tack Coat Primer into the joint. Allow to tack off and then mix up the Resincoat epoxy repair mortar and fill all repairs. It's okay to overfill slightly. Once a repair is fully cured, grind, flush and recut the joint at approximately 5 mm wide. Once cut, vacuum the area to remove any dust and dirt. At Resincoat, we offer 3 different joint sealants. The one you choose to use will be dependent upon the joint being filled and the environment in which you will be using the product. Resincoat Polyurea joint sealant is ideal for immediate, smaller repairs with the sealant curing in around 5 minutes. Resincoat Polyurethane joint sealant is great for use in cold environments, offering a fast cure time. Resincoat expansion joint sealant is suitable for all environments, offering a flexible, highly durable finish. For all joint repairs, you will now need to prepare the joint for filling. Tape either side of the joint. This will ensure a clean finish as well as a clean transition from one concrete slab to the next. Fill the joint with sealant and then smooth over with a spatula. Remove tape right away, rolling the tape onto itself and allow the sealant to fully cure. You have now filled your joint with a flexible sealant, protecting your concrete from any future damage. To complete your flooring project, check out the links in the description to our epoxy primers and our high strength epoxy floor paint products.